Hello, my name is Kevin Lopez, and this is my Screenomatic presentation using Screenomatic. My hobbies are cars. I have a passion working on cars, and I hope to have a car, or I do have a car, but working on that car is a bit boring, so I hope to buy a more flexible car that I can actually work on. Accomplishments, I have no said accomplishments that I'm very proud of, besides me winning a robotics competition back in high school, but that's pretty much it. What I hope to learn in this class is uh, going to college in a more efficient way, like using the tools and utilizing them the way I learned in this class, like this presentation. And one thing I want to tell you about online learning is I dislike it a lot, and starting next semester, I want to go on campus.